What is summer? Well, if you ask the scientists, they'd say, summer is the warmest, brightest season occurring when the hemisphere tilts towards the sun, resulting in more direct sunlight, higher temperatures, and the longest daylight hours. If you asked a poet, they'd say, above the hills, along the blue, round the bright air with footing true, to please the child, to paint the rose, the gardener of the world he goes. But if you had to ask me, neither scientist or poet, I'd say, to me it's the river, it's the sun and the breeze, boat rides and a sunset cruise. It's fishing with no fish in sight. It's snorkeling and beach cricket, swimming and laughing. To me it's adventure, it's early morning missions and late night brews. It's salty hair and toasty skin. It's midday naps and rainy day meals. What is summer? To me? To me, it's not as complex as transcontinental flights or five-star resorts. It's not yachting or fancy dinners. To me, summer is family. It's early morning recaps and late night adventures. It's all-day surfing and random missions. It's the things that show you're comfortable. Those dances you do for nobody else, those voices you make for only those true. To me, it's card games and movie nights, dinners sat around the table, and Budapest rolls on the road. Because that's what summer truly is. It's not where you are or what you're doing. Yes, those can indeed make or break a summer. But most importantly, summer is spending time amongst those who truly matter to you. That is what I'd say if you asked me. What is summer?